Alrighty guys, box number 1 of 2. This is the second box, so I'm calling it box 2 because you already saw box 1, what was in that. So what's in box 2? Again, watch the other video. These are all from EMS, Engineering Manufacturing Services out of Detroit, Michigan. Ooh, more body panels. So what do we have here? Well, looks like I have my rear lower quarter, one complete piece. Rocker panel. Inner rocker. These are the cool parts right here. Inner door. Look at that. Complete inner door skin. How easy is that gonna make it? Look at that beautiful stamping. Look at that hinge pocket all done nice. There's the inside. Light oil, not painted. This is the real steel. Nice stamping. I'll go over each piece too. And last but not least, door skin. Outer door skin. Look at that. Flange so you can put it in, not rolled. So you can do all your own rolling, however you want to do it. Put your seam sealer in there if you'd like. So, pretty nice stuff. I'm gonna pull you down now and we'll take a closer look at everything. So here is lower door bottom. Again, so a decent stamping, flanged up at the top. Nice 18 gauge. The looks of it, that's what they advertise, I should say. This is how it came. That's how it came to me in the box. So let me pull them out. I'll go put that one aside now. This is the piece one of the pieces I'm happy about. This is the lower door inside. Look at that factory stamping. Nice stamp job too, all the way around. Flip it over here so you can see. I mean, you really can't beat that. You know, when you take that and this and stick them together, look at that. Instant door. Instant lower door. Maybe not instant, but they give you enough over there for you to play around with it. Enough to do your folding in. There's your, this is where I got everything from, guys. Just really, oh, that's about the only little ding I've found on this stuff so far. Which could be in part and parcel because of the saga I had yesterday getting this stuff. I'll go on to explain that here in a minute. Inner rockers, I mean, inner rockers are inner rockers. I mean, I'll pull this one up for you here so you can get some numbers. Just has the correct stamp, you know, correct profile for everything as I see it right now. That all might change when I go to put it in the car. Never know. But this is a first look, you know, so far So good. And again, you can get the thickness on that, but here, maybe we can get it down there. It's not thin sheet metal. It's some thick stuff. And if I'm not careful, as you saw the camera just get juggled, it's going to be dented stuff before I even get it to put it in the car. There's the inner rocker. I mean, that one's not a big one. That's not too hard to mess up there. But here, there's another one of those pieces, you know. Nobody's making this piece. And nobody does this that I know of. 51 to 52 only. They do make a 49 to 50, which is different. I was not aware of that till I ordered this. Again, nice piece. You know, all the way around. I can zoom in because I got parts stacked up here. Flanged. Big inner wheel well flange. Come around. Comes right around to the back. Zoom back out and actually let you see what it looks like. Comes right back around to the back. Rolled. And you know, has the actual proper contour. So there's the panels. There's what was inside. Another big one. Anybody who's ever been to the stamping plant knows, to get metal to bend and stretch without leaving big tear marks in it, or, you know, scuff marks, that's a properly oiled die, and it's a properly sized die. So there they are. There's the pieces. There's what was in the two boxes from EMS. Again, EMS, did my research. I do belong to the HAB. Read a bunch of stuff on the HAB about them. One big selling point to these guys was they're on the HAB. They respond. They're not like the other companies where you buy stuff and they're gone. You put something up there and say, hey, you know, I had this problem. They'll actually interact with you. You can call them. You can get them. For anybody who makes anything in the hot rod world to be on a forum, says something about them. Because if they put out crap, they're not going to be on a forum very long, and they're definitely not going to interact with forum members. So, in a forum like the HAB, which I myself, I mean, I can do a lot, I've done a lot, but there are absolute gurus on that forum. Wealths and wealths of knowledge. And like I've said before, knowledge is power. Knowledge will get you through any situation in the car world. If you don't know how to do it, learn how to do it. Then you know how to do it and you can teach others how to do it. Passing this all on is what we do. It's what car guys do, and it's why the art will never die, and it's the greatest hobby, yes, and sport, because anybody who's ever drag raced knows, man, you got to be in shape to race. Or I shouldn't even say drag race, raced at all. You got to be in shape. So that's my video unboxing of the sheet metal I bought for the car. You probably saw the other video where I bought a welder plasma cutter. Those two are coming up too, and I'll let you know. Oh, quick point. I made a point of saying, hey, I'm just an average guy building the car in my garage. Wife, kids, and a budget. Well, I do spend things, I do spend money, and I spend it where it counts. All of these pieces that you saw here, so pretty much to do the complete driver's side of the car, from the front cowl, complete rocker, and redo all the bad parts in the car, cost me $750 to my door. Taxes, everything. So not cheap. Definitely, you know, could have went cheaper, but it's the metal. You do that once and you're good. I can have this car, I can pass this car down to my kid who will be out here working with me on it, and knowing that it's done correctly and it's done with good sheet metal. The foundation is strong. Might blow up motors, rear ends, and everything else, but unless we put it in the wall or somebody hits us, this stuff's going to be around for longer than me. So $750 to my door. And asked questions from EMS. They responded really quickly. So far, great company to work with. I plan on buying the rest of the sheet metal for the car. I might have a tail panel, I don't know why I couldn't say that, but to get from them, and the whole passenger side of the car. I will be buying from them after seeing this, unless I have problems with fitment, and that's going to be a later video. So thanks for watching. Click subscribe, come over to Facebook, where I post a bunch of stuff, content, and I encourage you guys to participate. Throw your rides up there, show me what you're working on. Let's get a conversation started, and thank you. Next one's up I'll be doing is plasma cutter and the welder that I bought. Thank you. Have a good day.